Java, when you place letters or characters in double quotes, that is called a string. We already used string from our previous video. We did system.out.print open parenthesis double quote hello world double quote closing parenthesis. This hello world is a string. As you can see, it's enclosed with double quotations. Let's edit our main class and add these lines of codes. System.out.print hello world system.out.print welcome to Java Fundamentals video tutorial. Save your work and run it. Click this button here. So our output is hello world, welcome to Java Fundamentals video tutorial. First, let's talk about the system.out.print. This statement is used if you want to print out something. System is the class, while out is the instance, and print is the method. When using Java, you will encounter the terms class and methods a lot. We will have separate discussion for that in the future videos. Anyway, just remember that whenever you want to print out something, you need to use the system.out.print. As you can see in our output window, the strings are printed in one single line. What if you wanted the second string below the first one? Then let's edit the code into this. Instead of using print method, change it to println. ln is for end line. So system.out.println hello world and then system.out.println welcome to Java Fundamentals video tutorial. Now, run again your program. As you can see, the second string is now below the first one. Again, use println if you want to add a new line after the string is printed out. And just print if otherwise. Now let's edit the program and welcome a subscriber here in our YouTube channel. System.out.println hi Kelly. Now run your program. We successfully welcomed Kelly here in our channel. But how about the other subscribers like Matthew, Kendra, and Ashley? And other subscribers in the future? What do you think? Should we type their names one by one like this? Yes, we can do this, but how about the subscribers in the future? So a better way to handle this is to store the information or names into a variable. But strictly speaking, since string is a class and not a data type, its variable is called an object. So let's declare one. Edit your program into this. String subscriber name equals Kelly. And then remove the Kelly on the first println. The code reads as assign Kelly to the object subscriber name of class string. In Java, it's a standard that you use CAMELCASE for naming your objects, variables, and methods. CAMELCASE is a practice of writing phrases such that each word or abbreviation in the middle of the phrase begins with a capital letter, with no intervening spaces or punctuations. System.out.println subscriber name. Run your code again. So kung gusto mo i-print out ang isang variable or object, ilagay mo lang ito sa loob ng parentheses. The value of the variable will print out and not the variable name or the object name. Paano pag naglagay ka ng double quotes? Yes, you're right. The word subscriber name will print out and not the value. Kasi dito, ang intindi ng Java na you wanted to print the string and not the object subscriber name. Make sure alam nyo kung kailan at saan nyo ilalagay ang quotes nyo. There is also another way para ma-print ang value ng isang variable name or string object. Edit your code into this. System.out.print hi plus subscriber name. Run your program. As you can see, same lang ang result, but we have lesser code. Notice na we use plus symbol after the string hi. When this symbol is used in a string, it is called concatenation, or pagdugtong ng mga strings. Now let's change the value, then run your code. Now mas dynamic na ang program natin compared kanina. So there are several things you need to keep in mind pag nagbibigay kayo ng pangalan ng variables or objects nyo. First, wala dapat space like this. Subscriber space name. Mali yan kasi may space and makikita nyo naman na naka-red siya, meaning syntax error yan. Next is hindi dapat number or symbol ang una sa name gaya nito. One subscriber name or hash subscriber name. Pero pwede ang underscore, like underscore subscriber name. Also bear in mind the case sensitive on Java, which means the character small letter k is not equal to the character capital K. Sana malinaw pong lahat. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.